Hey, did you schedule a donation to the Colorado Coalition Against Sexual Assault for Colorado Gives Day? It is today, you know?
Oh, yeah, I think I remember you telling me about that. Is it really that important to donate? I am pretty busy with my holiday shopping right now.
Actually, donating is really important because it provides support to their public policy work, resources for sexual assault survivors, the Survivor Task Force, and other important work that helps agencies in Colorado and keeps sexual assault survivor voices present at the Capitol. Even a gift of $5, $10, or $20 matters a lot.
I feel like such a slacker, but you are right. I could take a few minutes and make a donation to the Colorado Coalition Against Sexual Assault today before Colorado Gives Day is over.
It is really easy and you will make a difference for survivors across the state.
I never think that what I do actually makes a difference. But, girl, I know you are right and I have to do this for everyone who needs support, hope and a voice.
Thank you. Colorado Gives Day funds crucial services for the Colorado Coalition Against Sexual Assault and they count on every donation toward their goal. Please show your support today.